guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we are going to make something super fun and super unique, but you're going to love it. We are going to make chicken parm dip. It is perfect for game day. It's super delicious, super easy, and it is so yummy. So yes, we are making a chicken parm dip, and you guys are going to love it. So we are starting with either one large container of ricotta cheese or two smalls, and we're going to add about a cup to a cup and a half of any tomato sauce that you like right into the ricotta cheese. You're going to want to kind of mix that together so you get a nice, saucy, cheesy, fun. After that, we are adding 1 cup of Parmesan cheese and about a cup of a shredded mozzarella as well, right in. We're going to do more mozzarella later, and we're going to add some spices. So I have about 2 tablespoons of a garlic powder and about a teaspoon each of parsley, oregano, and basil. And then we're going to just kind of mix it all together like so until we get a good looking, evenly distributed dip. So now the fun part. We're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees, and we're going to take some frozen crispy chicken strips and line them up on the outside of a pan. So we're just going to kind of do it like this. There's really no like right or wrong way to do it, but you're just going to kind of want them standing around the outside of the bowl that you're going to use for your dip. So after your chicken is all lined up, you're going to go ahead and start scooping your dip right into the center. So just scoop it on in. It's okay if you get a little bit on your chicken, because if you haven't gotten what we're doing yet, we are going to have these chickens right in the dip to dip. I mean, when I dip, you dip, we dip. I don't know. It's going to be good. So once you have your dip all in, you're going to just kind of spoon a tiny bit more sauce over top. You don't want too much because you don't want it to get too saucy, but just like a little bit like that to kind of give it like that little chicken parm feel. And then we're going to top it with a little bit more of our shredded mozzarella. This dip is cheesy and fun, and you cannot think about calories when you're eating it. Then you're going to put it in a 425-degree oven for about 16 minutes. That's how long it takes for the chicken to cook. And at that point, your cheese should be super melty and super yummy. And then you could just dunk in the chicken and pull it out. It is going to be epic. You wait and see. And after that time in the oven, you have yourself a delicious chicken parm dip. It is so good. It's super unique. It was super easy, and you guys are going to love it. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.